How to make Germany works faster? Well, here's the story. Imagine receiving 10,000 letters every single day, not emails, not digital forms, actual physical letters. And now imagine you are team responsible for sorting, reading, and responding to each one manually. Sounds impossible. Well, this is not just a hypothetical situation. This is happening right now in Germany, where many government institutes still rely on traditional paper-based communication. And because of this, backlogs keep growing, responses take weeks, and entire system slows down. I was recently invited by an institute facing this exact problem. They were drowning in paperwork and needed an AI-driven solution to speed up things while ensuring accuracy and legal compliance. So I propose a strategy, one that blends AI automation with human expertise to revolutionize the way they handle letters. Here's how it works. Phase 1, building knowledge for AI. Each department in the institute receives a certain share of these 10,000 letters daily. But the truth is, most of these letters aren't unique. The same type of questions and requests have been answered before, but they are just buried in some old records. So the first step is creating a vector database for each department, a smart knowledge base that stores past responses and uses AI to recognize similar queries in the future. Phase 2, AI generate responses with human supervision. Once a letter arrives, the AI system scans it, checks the vector database, and drafts a response. But here's the key: AI doesn't work alone. A human reviewer steps in, verifies the response, and either approves it as it is or makes necessary edits. This feedback loop helps the AI learn. If responses are approved without changes, the AI gains more confidence in its accuracy. If heavy edits are needed, the system adapts, improving over time. Phase 3, scaling to the entire institute. Once we perfect this on a department level, we roll it out across the entire institute. Now, instead of handling each letter manually, the process looks like this. Step 1, scan, digitalize all incoming letters. Step 2, automatically assign them to the right department. Step 3, AI drafts a human response. And step 4, human in the loop reviews it. The step 5, the final response is sent back faster than ever before. This means that instead of waiting weeks for a response, citizens can get answers in days or even hours. Now, here's the thought. If one institute can do this, why not scale it to more? What if government offices like Ausländer Behörde, for example, one of the slowest and most understaffed institute in Germany, adopt this system? Imagine how much faster residence permit, visa requests, and official documents could be processed. Less waiting time, less frustration, and more efficiency for everyone. Well, people think that AI is taking jobs. AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about giving them the tools to work smarter. So now what do you think? Should more government offices start using AI to speed up their processes, or do you think otherwise? Let me know in the comment section.